Hello, Teacher Jen again, still at my mom's house.
Do you remember? In the video called A Bird's Tale, these are what we discovered in the bird's nest. And in the next video, called A Bird's Tale Part 2, we discovered more nature surprises. And I wanted to show you how much these baby birds have grown, even since I first discovered that the eggs had hatched. Now you can see more clearly their little beaks and their eyes. They're getting more feathers. They're getting all of that food from the mommy and daddy bird, and they're growing. They're healthy. I'm sure you've noticed that the baby birds are surrounded on the nest by bird poop. Yep, birds don't use toilets, they poop wherever they sit. But here's the thing, the mommy and daddy birds make sure that the poop does not get on the baby birds themselves. If you notice, the poop is really around the edge on the nest where the mommy and daddy birds sit. So they make sure that the baby birds are safe from the poop. It's just part of life as a bird. There's the daddy feeding the babies. Let's see if we can see them sticking their little heads up, asking for more food.
He's gone.
Uh-oh. But he'll be back. In between waiting for food from the mommy and daddy birds, what do you think the baby birds do? What do they look like they're doing right now? Yep, they're sleeping. Baby birds need a lot of sleep. Just like little children need a lot of sleep. They eat and then they sleep, and their bodies build bone and muscle and feathers. And I don't know if you noticed, but the baby bird's eyes have finally opened. When they're first born, their eyelids are closed. All these changes are happening very quickly for the baby birds. I wonder how long it will be before they start to learn to fly. What do you think?